Welcome to UTC AI Studio, AI powered, creativity fueled. Ever feel like your house is just there? A collection of walls and furniture? Well, get ready because AI is changing all of that. We are diving into how artificial intelligence is turning our homes from passive shelters into truly intelligent partners. Let me ask you something. You've got smart lights, a smart thermostat, or maybe even a smart doorbell, but does it feel smart or does it feel more like you're just a glorified remote control juggling a dozen different apps? If you are nodding along, you are not alone. The whole smart home idea was this huge promise that, let's be honest, hasn't quite delivered, at least not yet. And that really gets to the heart of the problem. And I like to call the disconnected promise. We were all sold this amazing vision of a seamless automated life. But the reality for a lot of us has been, well, kind of messy and complicated. To really get why this is, we first need to be on the same page about what the Internet of Things, or IoT, even is. At its core, it's just this giant network of physical stuff. Everything from your fitness watch to massive industrial sensors, all connected to the Internet and all collecting and sharing data. A perfect way to think about it is like a human body's nervous system. You've got all these sensors that can feel things like temperature, motion, or light, but there's no brain. There's nothing there to make sense of all that information and decide what to actually do about it. The parts are all there, but the intelligence is totally missing. And this is the disconnect in a nutshell. On one side, you have a dream, this beautiful, harmonious world where everything just works together. But the reality for most of us is chaos. It's a jumble of different apps, devices that refuse to talk to each other, and you're the one stuck in the middle trying to make it all work. It feels less like a convenience and more like a part-time IT job. And if you break it down, the roadblocks are clear. First, these systems are just drowning in data they have no way to use. Second, the devices don't speak the same language, so they're all like little islands. Third, they collect information, but they don't understand it, so you get no real insights. And finally, every single one of those connected points is a potential security risk. And that is the real game change we're talking about today. It's the leap from just smart devices that do what we tell them to truly intelligent homes that learn from us, adapt to our routines, and proactively make our lives just better. How do we fix this? The brain is so desperately missing. Well, the answer, as you probably guessed, is artificial intelligence. Let's go right back to our analogy. If IoT is the nervous system, AI is the brain. Think of the AI in your home as the conductor of an orchestra. Lights, locks, thermostats, televisions, all working together in sync. It's the thing that takes all that raw sensory data and gives it the power to learn to reason. And this is the most important part, to act on its own. Now that is a game changer. If your house didn't just wait for you to flip a switch or say a command, what if it could anticipate what you need? It warms up the house because it knows you're on your way home, suggests a recipe because it sees what's in your fridge, and spots a tiny water leak before it becomes a full-blown disaster. But how does this work in the real world? It's basically a powerful three-step loop. First step, collection. The IoT sensors are out there grabbing all the raw data. Step 2, processing. The AI models sift through all that data, looking for patterns and predicting what might happen next. And finally, step 3, action. The system uses those insights to do something useful, like automatically adjusting your lights or thermostat. What does this all look like when you bring it home? Well, it leads to a home that doesn't just follow your commands, but one that learns from you, a home that understands you. Take something like the Google Nest Learning Thermostat. You just use it normally for about a week. The AI is watching, learning your schedule, when you're home, when you're gone, the temperatures you like. Then it just starts doing it for you. A Ring doorbell's AI can learn who your family members are, so you know if it's your friend at the door or a stranger. Google Nest Cams are smart enough to not bother you every time a cat walks across your driveway. And smart locks like the Lockly Vision Elite use your fingerprint or face to grant access. Keys are starting to feel like a pretty old school. And the benefits are immediate and they are big. We're talking about a potential reduction in your home's energy usage of up to 30%. That is a huge number, and it's all driven by a system that truly understands how to be efficient. Systems like Tesla's Powerwall don't just store energy. They learn usage patterns and decide when to store, use, or save power automatically. And what does that 30% mean in real money? For the average homeowner, that translates into somewhere between $200 and $400 back in your pocket every single year. This isn't just some small change. It has a major impact on your budget. And here's the magic of it. This is so much more than just setting your thermostat on a timer. An AI-powered system learns your family's habits. It knows when you leave for work. It sees a heat wave is coming tomorrow, and it can even check energy prices to suggest running the dishwasher when electricity is cheapest. It's proactive, not just programmed. Now, let's talk about security for a minute. The old way was your phone buzzing every single time a leaf blew past your front camera. In the new way, AI security is proactive and intelligent. It doesn't just see motion, it knows the difference between a person, your dog, or a car driving by. That alone cuts down on so many false alerts. And it's not just security, you can almost think of these as your own little AI-powered household stuff. I mean, Samsung's Family Hub fridge can literally look inside itself, identify your food, and then suggest recipes based on what you have. LG washing machines can analyze the fabrics in a load to pick the perfect wash cycle. And for any pet owners out there, the iRobot Roomba's AI vision, which can spot and avoid things like pet accidents, is an absolute lifesaver. This builds a genuinely smarter shield for your home. It can use facial recognition to tell you if it's a family member or a stranger at the door. It can even analyze behavior to flag somebody who's been lingering suspiciously on your porch. And the real-world impact is just staggering. Studies show these systems can help reduce break-ins in connected neighborhoods by as much as 40%. What all this adds up to is a promotion. Your devices are getting promoted from simply being connected to being truly intelligent. Your security camera stops sending you useless alerts and instead tells you a package has arrived. Your thermostat quits following a rigid schedule and starts learning what you actually like. AI is also taking on the most annoying part of owning a home: maintenance. Systems can spot small problems early before they turn into expensive disasters. And your robot vacuum, it stops bumping into walls and actually starts mapping your home. Every single device gets a massive IQ boost. Now, as incredible as this is for our homes, it's important that we zoom out, because this is just the tip of the iceberg. This is all part of a much bigger shift, a move towards a more autonomous world. This same fundamental change, adding that AI brain to that IoT body, is happening everywhere, far beyond your front door. The very same principles that make your home smarter are scaling up and transforming entire industries. In our cities, this tech combo is managing traffic to slash commute times. In healthcare, it monitors patients to predict a crisis before it happens. And in manufacturing, it's predicting when a machine will fail to prevent costly shutdowns. This is a society-wide transformation. And the next revolution, it's already on the horizon. Homes are evolving from smart spaces into intelligent partners. They won't just react, they'll anticipate. And that brings us to the really big question we all have to start thinking about. What do you think the next giant leap in their evolution is going to be? Thanks for watching utcaistudio, AI-powered, creativity-fueled. I'll see you in the next video, where we explore more AI integrations in our daily lives. Till then, as always, keep learning, keep building, and keep creating with AI.